In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your disabled Facebook account in 2023. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your disabled Facebook account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser. Click on the search option and in the search bar type disabled Facebook account recovery. Click on this option that says my personal account was disabled. Okay, now in order to recover your disabled Facebook account, you need to fill out this form. So first enter your email address or mobile number that was linked with your disabled Facebook account. Once you have done that, enter your full name. Then click on the choose file option. Then you need to upload a photo of some sort of identification. You can use any government provided ID such as passport, driving license or your identification card. Once you have done that, click on send. And after you click on send, within the next 24 hours, your disabled Facebook account will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.